For me to show you how the car care works on different types of floors, I have carpeting, a little plush. We have really flat rugs, your entry mats and whatnot, and we have bare floors. Let me ruin the surprise in a way. This machine it doesn't lack power. That's not an issue at all. These are very powerful machines. As a matter of fact, I'll use its first suction setting. We won't go into boost. Before I go ahead, because you might hear a change of a tone, the brush roll is smart. So if it detects it's on a carpet and rug, it'll spin faster, and it will. You'll hear it. So let's get the hard floors. Right, it's really easy. That edge-to-edge cleaning, like really cleaning the side, helps with getting the corners, so you don't have to keep hitting this against the corner. You hear it sounds, and you can actually lift this carpet up really easy. And again, we're not even on its maximum power, right? We're on the regular suction setting. And it's super easy. Again, power is not a problem. Now we'll also show you on upholstery, furniture, things like that. Also, more importantly, I want to show you how easy it is to go under things with this, because we have a lot of obstacles in our homes, and this thing does a really good job laying flat and reaching corners. Yep. There we go. And as far as the upholstery is concerned, let me grab my upholstery tool. I'll show you very easily how we do that. Here we go. Again, regular suction setting. We don't need to go higher. It's just super easy. Yep. You'll love it.